Amazon Prime Video allows you to download movies and shows for offline viewing, but sometimes downloads expire. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to fix this issue. Step 1. Check the expiration date. Open the Prime Video app. Go to Downloads. Tap the downloaded title to see the expiration date. If it's expired, you'll need to re-download the content. Step 2. Re-download expired content. Delete the expired download. Go to the content page. Tap Download again to refresh the expiration date. Step 3. Update the app. Go to your App Store, Google Play, or Apple App Store. Search for Amazon Prime Video. Tap Update if a new version is available. Step 4. Check storage and connection. Ensure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection for downloading content. Step 5. Contact Amazon support. If issues persist, contact Amazon customer support for assistance. Conclusion. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can solve the Amazon Prime download expiration problem. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.